Welcome to our channel. We're so excited to have you here. Today we're going to show you some easy workouts you can do right at home. No gym required. Whether you have a dedicated home gym or just a small corner in your living room, we've got you covered. We know it can be tough to find the time and motivation to work out, especially if you're new to exercise or don't have access to a gym. Life can get busy, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed or unmotivated. That's why we've put together this simple, effective workout routine that you can do anywhere, anytime. These exercises are designed to fit into your busy schedule and can be done in any small space. All you need is a little bit of space and some comfortable clothing. No fancy equipment or expensive gear is necessary. We'll guide you through each exercise step by step, and we'll offer modifications for different fitness levels. Whether you're just starting out or looking to challenge yourself, we've got options for everyone. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for you. Let's get started and make fitness a fun and integral part of your daily routine. Let's kick things off with a classic warm-up exercise, jumping jacks. This exercise is a great way to get your blood flowing and your muscles ready for more intense activities. Stand with your feet together, arms by your sides. Make sure you have enough space around you to move freely. As you jump, step your feet out to the sides and raise your arms overhead. This movement should be fluid and controlled. Land softly with your knees slightly bent. This helps to absorb the impact and protect your joints. Continue this movement for 1 minute. Try to maintain a steady pace and keep your movements consistent. Remember to keep your core engaged and your breathing steady. This will help you maintain balance and endurance. This will get your heart rate up, warm up your muscles, and prepare your body for the workout ahead. It's an excellent way to start any fitness routine. Now it's time to get that heart pumping with some high knees. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bring your knees up towards your chest, one at a time, as high as you can. Pump your arms for momentum and keep your core engaged. Focus on speed and intensity. We're aiming for 1 minute of high knees. This exercise is fantastic for burning calories, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting your energy levels. Let's build some strength with push-ups. This classic exercise is a fantastic way to work multiple muscle groups at once. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart, directly beneath your shoulders. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body down towards the floor by bending your elbows. Keep your elbows close to your body to engage your triceps more effectively. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. This will help you maintain proper form and prevent injury. Push back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. Focus on using your chest and arm muscles to lift your body. If you're new to push-ups, you can modify them by doing them against a wall or with your knees on the ground. These modifications will help you build strength gradually. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of repetitions or sets to continue challenging your muscles. Time to improve our flexibility with standing toe touches. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, arms by your sides. Bend forward from your hips, keeping your back straight, and try to touch your toes. Hold the stretch for a moment, feeling it in your hamstrings and lower back. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes just yet. Just reach as far as you can comfortably. We'll do 15 repetitions of this stretch. Great work, everyone! Now it's time to cool down with some gentle stretches. Let's start by reaching our arms overhead and gently leaning to each side. Next, bring one leg forward into a lunge position and hold for 30 seconds. Then switch legs. Finally, lie down on your back and hug your knees into your chest, holding for another 30 seconds. This will help your muscles recover, improve flexibility, and prevent soreness. Congratulations on completing this workout. You should be really proud of yourself. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Keep pushing forward. Even a short workout like this can make a big difference over time. Stay committed. Don't forget to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. It's important. And most importantly, have fun. Exercise should be enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more workout tips and routines. See you next time.